Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a PayPal button in Hostinger website builder. I am now in my website homepage on Hostinger website builder. This is my page where I want to add my PayPal button. First thing, go to Google and search for PayPal, pay links and buttons. Then go to this page. This is the website page, paypal.com/buttons. Select one of these types of buttons. Let's go with this one. The product name field is required. For example, check list and hit build it again. Go to button code, click on copy HTML code. Now go back to Hostinger website builder, click on add element, go with an embed code and paste it here. Double click it to replace this code with your PayPal one. Click on embed code. This is your PayPal button. Now update your website to reflect your changes online. And let's view my website live. Go to checklist. And this is how to add a PayPal button to Hostinger website builder.